Hello, alright, we're going to start some iMovie stuff. You can find iMovie, click on this, iMovie, there it is. Okay, or you can hit F4, bring up all your stuff, find iMovie, you're all set. So it's going to look like this. This is where all your photos and videos will be in this little section. This is going to be the preview window. Down here is going to be your timeline, kind of like your animation timeline, but for videos. To get videos, you can get videos off your phone, or you can get videos off the internet. Let's see. If we go to the internet, I found this amazing, video of rainbow bubbles. I'm going to get it off YouTube. I'm going to copy Command-C, the address. I'm going to go to this website. It's called YouTube, no space, mp3.to. Okay, I'm going to paste my address in there, and MP3 is audio, just the sound, so I'm going to go to MP4. That's the audio and the video. Hit my friendly convert button. It's going to go seamlessly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please work for me. It's probably not going to work this time. It's worked other times. You just got to believe me. Let's go back here. MP4, convert. I'm going to give it one more second. Alright. Well, it's not working right now, but it usually works. As you can tell, I have this beautiful video. There it is. Now it's on my desktop. You're going to download it to your computer. Maybe get it out of your downloads, put it on your desktop. And you can actually just drag it right in to your iMovie. Okay? So I'm going to use this one. Right now it's 20 seconds. I'm going to trim this cowboy down to, where are you going? Close Precision Finder. I'm going to drag it down to just 4 seconds. I like that clip. Okay, and then I'm going to use this, let's see, part of this rainy day one. If you click and drag, you can just choose part of it, part of the video. Let's bring that one. Click and drag it down. Here's that one. Okay, so now we have two different videos. And now this one is taken vertically, so I'm going to crop it. If you see that yellow around it, that means it's selected. I'm going to select this one, come up here. There's lots of different controls up here. This one that looks like a cropping tool. I'm going to hit that once. It's going to say fit, crop to fit, Ken Burns. Crop to fit will give you a little rectangle. I'm just going to get that part of it, maybe bring it down just a little. And then we hit return. So now it's going to be full frame. All right, I like that better. Okay. Ken Burns. That's kind of for still photos. Don't worry about that one. What are some other things we can do? I'm going to come down to my clip down here, hold down the Command key, is it? It's actually the Control key. I'm going to say split clip. So now I have two different clips. I split it in half. Why are you doing this? Okay, so I can click and drag. You can move stuff all around just by clicking and dragging. For your video, I'm going to ask you to do a couple things. Between all your clips, put transitions. Over here, you'll find transitions. Okay? It'll take a moment, but these will show you what they're going to do if you just kind of scroll over the top of them. I like cross blur. Let me put some cross blur between these two. You click, drag, bring it down, and if you hit space bar, it's going to play. Cross blur. Did that work? Kind of. It's the first time it's got to figure out what it's doing. Oh, it doesn't look that great at all. Alright, so I'm going to select it, hit delete. I'm going to go to circle open. This one will be a little easier to see. There, you can see it already. Circle open. So between each one of your clips, try a different one of these transitions. There's a bunch to choose from just to see what they all do. I'm also going to ask you to put some titles. Put some words on top of your video. So it's going to take a minute to load here. Let's put some titles. Click and drag on top of there. Select that. Text titles. Bub, 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 bub. Oh, it's not selected. Come on back. Okay. B-U-B, B-U-B, B-U-B-B. Okay. You can, of course, select this. Can you change this part? I'm going to change fonts up here. Let's go to... You can. So that one's bigger, that one's smaller. Fantastic. Okay. You can change the color, I'm sure. Where's the color? White. Let's go something else. Hit OK. Okay, so now if I come over here, we got our transition already. And then it's going to say, bub, 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 bub. And then that's going to go away. There's no transition, so you see there's just a straight cut. What else am I going to ask you to do? Video effects. If I double click, I'm going to get this whole one. Now I'm going to come back up here. These three little circles are video effects. You click that, video effect, none right now. If you click on that, this window comes up. It'll take a moment, but if you scroll over these, it'll give you all these filters, kind of like in Photoshop. Let's see, which one do we want to do? Let's do this raster one. Okay, so it looks different. I'm going to want you to experiment. I'll tell you how many I want you to do, but you're going to try different ones. What else can we do up here? This little speedometer is speed. Let's speed this one up fast. Let's go 4 times as fast. Let's also hit reverse, so it flips it. Let's see what happens. Dissolve, bub, 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 bub. And then, is it going to be too fast? It reverses it, but we can't really tell. But that's okay. Speed, maybe just go normal for now. Okay, what else can we do? We can hit this palette. This one will let us change colors. Ooh, make it really excitingly yellowy. Okay, you can fool around with those, see which ones you like. That's like the Photoshop's levels. Okay, so what else do we have up here? This is white balance. You can fool around with that if you'd like. This one that looks like a speaker. Hit that one. That is audio effects, I think, isn't it? No, it's over here. Audio effect, video effect, audio effect. Let's hit that. I don't know if there's any sound on this one, but if you remember that guy speaking, you can do a bunch of different stuff. Oh, maybe it is. Let's try that. Okay, so let's see if we play again. Bubbles has no sound. Let's see the sound on this, if it's any different. A little different. I'm sure if we had some people talking, it might be different. All right, if you go back up here to your photos library, do we have any people talking videos? Let's see. Where's my boy? Here's my boy. Jumping. This is a nice one. So I'm just going to click, drag this down here, see what they're doing. Jumping, jumping, jumping. I don't think there's any sound with this one. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to fool around. This video is 7 minutes too long. We've done what? We've done titles. That's over here. We've done transitions. That's over here. When you want to put sound effects in, you can hit here and get busy station. Drag that, click that, and drag it underneath. And there's your busy station. There's a black line in the middle. You can make it louder or shorter or quieter. Let's see. Cool, little background noise, didn't hurt. Okay. And then iTunes maps and backgrounds. You can kind of fool around and see what you want to do. All right, at least 2 minutes long. A bunch of transitions between every scene. Some titles on one. A lot of video effects. Just having fun. All right, I'll show you some examples. Thanks for watching.